Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Deep Scratch Remover is probably one of the most sought-after car care products by car owners who are passionate about maintaining the showroom shine of their vehicles. This is because deep scratches are not only eyesores but can also lead to rust and further damage if left unaddressed. In this video, we will explore the top-rated deep scratch removers available on the market, comparing their effectiveness, ease of use, and overall value to help you make an informed decision on the best product to restore your car's finish. Number 5. Chemical Guys COM_129_16 VSS. Say goodbye to swirls and scratches. This easy-to-use polish quickly removes defects and leaves a mirror-like finish in just one step. It restores a lustrous, scratch-free shine without hiding imperfections. Your car will look its absolute best. Perfect for light to moderate scratches and swirls, it cuts through tough marks and polishes to a brilliant shine, faster than multi-step processes. Get the flawless finish you've always wanted, easily and efficiently. It's the perfect solution for a quick and effective detailing job. Chemical Guys is the trusted brand for car lovers worldwide. It's more than just a product, it's a commitment to quality and excellence. What we like. This product is a one-step solution, polishing and restoring a mirror-like finish simultaneously. It saves you time compared to multi-step processes. If you're looking for efficiency and a flawless shine, this is the one for you. What people say. It's so effective that I'm now convinced it's secretly a wizard in a bottle. The scratches and swirls began disappearing faster than my excuses for not washing the truck. The effect was almost immediate. My once scratched-up beast now looked like it had just rolled out of a spa day, with a shine that screamed, "I'm too fabulous for parking lots." Number 4. 3D One Car Polish. Say goodbye to multiple steps. This advanced formula works as both a cutting compound and a finishing polish, saving you time and effort. It's engineered for perfection. It delivers flawless clarity and a mirror-like shine, making your car look its absolute best. Whether you're working by hand or with a machine polisher, it adapts to your needs. It's perfect for any car, from daily drivers to show cars. Made in the USA with over 25 years of expertise, it's trusted by professionals worldwide. You can expect high-performance results every time. Skip the complicated multi-step systems. This one-step solution saves you time and money while delivering a professional-level shine and lasting protection. What we like. It's a hybrid formula that acts as both compound and polish. This provides true paint correction and is suitable for various applications. If you need professional-level results, this product is your best bet. What people say. I paired this with CarPro Reflect After to achieve the shine I was looking for. Extremely happy with the results. 3D even removed a scuff large scratch I had in my front bumper. I really like this product. I actually use it as the middle step for paint correction of new paint. After sanding with 2500 grit paper, I use 3D's ACA 510 with a wool or coarse cutting foam pad first, which leaves holograms behind. Then I use 3D1 with a medium cutting foam pad and DA, which removes all the previous holograms. I've used many products over the years. This is excellent coupled with an orange pad. Swirls gone, no dust, and finish is as new. Number 3. Turtle Wax Scratch Repair. It easily removes light to medium scratches, swirl marks, and water spots, dramatically improving your vehicle's appearance. It's safe for all paint colors and easy to apply. This product is formulated with protective resins to seal the repair, providing an even appearance that blends with the surrounding paint. The shine won't wash away. No professional experience is needed. Apply it by hand with a microfiber towel or use a polisher. It's that simple. It's safe to use on all paint colors, delivering impressive results on both dark and light finishes. You can confidently restore your vehicle's beauty. Remember, it's not for vinyl tops, wood, vinyl wraps, or matte paint. Always test it on a small, inconspicuous area first before applying it to a larger surface. Keep it away from plastic trim. What we like. This product is incredibly easy to apply, requiring no professional experience. It's safe for all paint colors and includes protective resins. If you want simple, safe, and effective scratch removal, choose this one. What people say. After the first application with a microfiber cloth, I already saw a difference. After the fifth, I was majorly impressed. I was able to buff out the small surface scratches completely. The deeper ones, I got the yellow paint out and made noticeable improvements. This product will only remove the very slightest smudges scratches. It will however make any scratch or swirl mark look significantly better. As long as it's not down to the paint, or completely through the clear coat. The product worked on specific scratches, i.e. horizontal scratches and paint transfer scratches. It did not work on vertical scratches, even after several attempts. Number 2. 3D Speed Polish and Wax. It's the ultimate all-in-one car polish and wax. This advanced formula cuts through light swirls and scratches while adding a protective wax coat, saving you time and effort. Tired of dull paint? It revives your car's original clarity and depth, delivering a wet, mirror-like gloss. It brings out the best in your finish, leaving it smooth and vibrant. It's designed for speed and simplicity. It goes on easily and wipes off clean with no residue. Use it by hand or with a polisher, it's a time saver for everyone. It tackles minor surface imperfections like light scratches and oxidation without harsh compounding. Safe for clear coats, it levels defects while protecting your paint. Backed by over 25 years of innovation, it's proudly made in the USA and trusted by professional detailers. You know it delivers real, reliable performance. What we like. This all-in-one polish and wax corrects and protects in a single step, delivering a high-gloss finish with ease. If you value convenience and a quick, shiny result, this is perfect for you. What people say. The polish itself is purple, smells like grape bubblegum, doesn't dust at all from what I can tell, and is very effective without having to use anything more than about 3 pea-sized drops per panel. It wipes off fairly easily, but being an LSP, there is some resistance in wiping off the product once it hazes. Nothing close to the level of difficulty in removing an oily finishing polish, though. Also, the LSP beads really well. I found using a medium buffing pad and going around maybe 3 times per panel and then hitting the entire car again with a polish pad again gives the best result. I also had deep scratches. It's a ranch truck that's out in the elements, so it had tons of deep and medium and shallow scratches. The best part is I did it in direct sun, car was hot and there's no dusting whatsoever and very easy to wipe unlike the other brands. Number 1. Chemical Guys V-Line Kit. This all-inclusive kit has everything you need to restore your vehicle's finish. It's perfect for tackling various levels of damage, from light swirls to deeper scratches. The powerful compounds in this kit effectively tackle heavy scratches, swirl marks, and even wet sanding scratches. You'll see a noticeable improvement right away. After compounding, use the polishes to refine the gloss and clarity of your vehicle's paint. It leaves a brilliant, lasting shine. It features micro-abrasive technology for precision and clarity in paint restoration. This ensures a flawless finish without damaging the clear coat. This kit is formulated without fillers, so you get genuine, lasting results. What you see is what you get, a truly improved finish. It's safe for use on cars, trucks, SUVs, RVs, motorcycles, and more. Give your vehicle the professional detailing it deserves. What we like. This kit provides everything you need for a flawless finish, tackling even the toughest scratches and enhancing shine. If you have various scratches and want a complete solution, this kit is ideal. What people say. One pass removed 90% of the scratches. Second pass, they were 99% removed. Doing the whole side of the truck took a half hour or so and left the truck much more shiny than the other side. I used this product to shine up CA glue finish and resin castings. I had similar results to my experience with the truck. It worked so much better than the McG product. It really reduced my sanding time. Used this set in combination with Chemical Guys Claybar kit, and wow. 14+ years of dirt and swirls came right out. Then proceeded through each of the 4 polishing compounds in this kit with a cheap set of 3 inches polishing pads and my corded drill. Dabbed it on and started slow to spread it, then a few passes a bit faster, one final pass at top speed, then wiped off the residue with a microfiber towel. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.